Brictec, a global leader in integrated brick-making solutions, bridging technology and quality to build a stronger future. Founded in 2011, we aim to be a trusted partner for brick manufacturers. Core team merges top European tech and Chinese engineering to offer custom full-cycle brick-making solutions. With projects in China and 30-plus global countries, we deliver robust, localized support worldwide. Leading domestically, renowned globally, Brictec's benchmark projects prove our strength. With advanced European technology, we lead innovation and upgrade the industry. Brictec redefines brick plant construction with full custom system solutions. From raw material analysis and capacity planning to optimize the process design, we craft a tailored production route. From overall layout to key area design, we maximize space and efficiency. Automated robotics elevates production. Professional construction, installation, commissioning, and trial run ensure official operation. Ongoing optimization ensures stable production performance. Higher quality and output, greater automation. Lower energy consumption and shorter ROI. Leading industry innovation.